Morning, good people. Are we ready to rock today? Before we start, let's take a look at what we have for news today. Let me check Forex Factory quickly. So today we have just one major USD news, which is unemployment claims. The forecast is negative, so we'll see how that plays out. Anyway, let's also look at our levels for today. So our NQ levels for the bull targets, we are looking at 25,721. Our bull breakout level is 25,693. Bull reversal 25,668. Our pivot point is 25,646. Our bear reversal is 25,619. The bear meltdown is 25,594. And the bear target is 25,566. Today seems like our Tokyo high, Tokyo low are the same levels. So Tokyo high is 25,692.5. Asia high is the same. Tokyo low is 25,603.25. Asia low is the same. Previous daily close level is 25,657.5. That's another level we are looking at. And then we're also looking at 25,611. 25,685.25. $25,421.75. So those are the levels we're looking at. See how price plays out today. We are about 5 minutes away from news. News incoming. Hmm. So unemployment claims was positive. They're expecting forecast was 219,000, and the actual is 191,000. So that's positive news. Let's see how this plays out. Most likely we start coming down. Let's see. Actually, news hasn't really been affecting the way the market moves. Kind of like we priced it in. But let's see. They're kind of about on the OSOB, almost there. So we're coming down. We just went back and tagged the bands. OSOB starts pointing down right now. Also, the Tokyo Asia midpoint. Let's see if we come down to the fib levels and the bottom wick. So check the wick again from the news play. And do we continue going down or do we start to push up? That was a nice rejection. As you can see, we've rejected that level probably about 4 times within the past 2 hours. Right? So we either finally break through and go down to the previous daily open area, or we reject here and go up. Whichever way we go, you guys are ready, right?
Repeat that?
I said, whichever way we go, you're ready, right?
Yep.
Did you catch anything on the sell down? Okay.
Got reversed on me.
Pardon?
You pulled back.
Oh, okay, okay.
My master 7C is not doing anything, but the followers are, which makes no sense.
Yeah. Probably got disconnected somehow.
Mm.
It looks like we're pushing through that level. right? We're getting to the oversold area, right? As you can see. So then we get an extension or reject here.
It's back to that area again.
Yep.
Let's see if it breaks.
Really holding.
Why the steroids have 16 contracts?
Pardon?
Why the steroids have 16?
Steroids?
Mm-hmm.
Not sure. No idea. But you should have hit your goals on steroids though.
Yeah, the goals are hit, but it's of course it's still running. Not sure why.
Yeah. I hear you. Morning Ghost. We're live on YouTube. It looks like we really want to break that level. Just keeps on bouncing. So it's going to be interesting. There we go. But now it looks like we're going for the 611. Really fighting to go back up. Market is just chilling. Top of the hour. It's like we might be going for the top of the news candle wick.
Just give me my money.
Hey, hey,
Hey, morning, guys.
morning. How you doing?
Not bad. Ready to attack these markets. See how we do.
Cool. So we just tagged the new candle at the top. We're still pushing. You took that buy from the buy signal. You're up about 70 ticks right now. It's like we're going to that supply zone right at Tokyo High, Asia High.
There again?
Looks like we're going to that supply zone at Tokyo High, Asia High. Just wiped it out. And Asia High, Tokyo High smashed. At 151 ticks, you should be trading right now. Protected. All that good stuff. Woo, let's go. Looks like we're going for that gap. 6 minutes, we're already in it. 2 minutes, we're already there. We are right there. Just tagged into a 6 minute supply zone as well. And we're pushing. That's 200 ticks plus. Just blew through Tokyo high, Asia high. It's very likely we'll come back to retest that level. So just be careful.
Morning, buddy. How are you? Oh, you're gonna do just fine. You know, you're the
There
best at
goes.
this. How are you?
So we smoked all our bullish targets, right? 25, 646, 25, 657, 25, 668, 25, 693, 25, 721. We smoked all of that to the upside. And we have another target that we could go for, which we're almost at anyway. 25, 733. Just remember we're also in a 4-hour fair value gap. So That's 290 ticks and counting.
Let her fly, man. Let her fly.
Why haven't you put out? And 21C is on a mission.
I'm seeing it. I'm just inching closer and closer to that goal.
Right. Steroids is done. 21C is done. All OSOBs are overbought. Okay, so my first batch of contracts have been taken out.
What was taken out?
My first batch of trailing contracts.
Oh, okay. Yeah. My 3C bands are still in it.
Yeah.
Oof. No one sees just killed it. Let's see if we hold here or if we reverse it. Let's see if Asia high and previous daily high can hold.
I'm 9 minutes away from market open. Pull back to Asia Tokyo High. We break through, we reject and go back up. Under 2 minutes, the market open. Nice rejection. Do we get some follow through? Woo. 30 seconds. Remember, don't rush into anything. Here we go. Look at Estelle here. Back to those fib levels on the daily candle.
I still think you gotta break these lows in order for these sales to like really continue. But it looks like the volume is starting to kick in some more.
Question. We are currently at the ninja pivot. Let's see if we break through that. Looks like we have. If you're in this cell, You're up about at least 100 ticks. Did I say 100 ticks?
I'm thinking about 300 ticks, right?
Yeah, you're up 380 ticks. You're locked in. You're just chilling
Eating
right now.
good.
Oh man. Oof. Jeez. Fitness smoking targets. Let's go. Oh, this is too funny. Pull back up below above the ninja pivot. The strong rejection. Honestly, with that move, everyone should be done.
Yes, sir, buddy.
Oh my goodness. That was fun. Well, goes to say trading shouldn't be fun, it should be boring. The bulls came in hot at that level. That was almost just close to a previous daily high.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 546. It came in hot there, but like there's nothing I don't see anything that's preventing us from going back down. Let's see. That's a strong rejection though, so we could just take off.
I think we're gonna just. You mean take off to the upside? Or...
No, I think we might take off to the upside, but like I said, there's nothing stopping it from going down. There's a lot of free space down there.
Yeah.
Till it gets to about 460.
Let's see. Let us see.
So what do we do? Just follow the signals, right?
All the signals.
Tokyo Asia low is holding. Oh, okay. I'm now seeing that.
What?
It never closed below the Tokyo Asia low.
No. It was just wicking it. But
yeah.
The rejection is very hard though.
Yeah, it flashed below for a lot of ticks, but it never closed below. That pullback was strong. So,
good morning.
Hey, look who's up.
Good morning.
How we doing? How we holding on time? Everybody doing good?
Yes.
As you should, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see what the market's doing. What's the market up to? Boy, oh boy. All right, you all should be swimming in profit.
Yeah. Market is giving away money.
Yeah. Your nodes should be done. Right? Except for YM. YM's the only struggler, but all your other nodes should be done. Yeah.
I
And
still have
PTTs, right?
current
PTTs.
trading. Yeah.
Yeah, but you should be locked in and done.
PTT S2 S3C for me is struggling. I don't know if anybody's seen the same thing.
Yeah. PTTs
Yeah.
are struggling. You know, that's they've been now over the last 2-3 days. But that's okay. Least of my worries. It's just 2 nodes out of many.
Yep.
But all the others should be done, right?
Oh yeah. Done.
Everything's done.
Everything else should be done. So what we're gonna do as soon as this mouse decides to act up or actuate, we'll shut down all the others. I'll probably leave S to S3C. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the S to S's. Okay, so what's the market doing? We are sitting at a number right now. Some kind of consolidation here. Maybe some bearish accumulation going on. Because we do need to get down to, what's that level? 550. And then probably drop a little lower into the 540s. That's I think that's what needs to happen here. So we need to clear this demand level before we can go that low. So if I was looking to sell this farther down, I would be looking for sells below 587, coming out of this 2-minute fair value gap, right? But then there's another gap right above us. So price could decide to fill this gap and then push higher into 693s, but the move I'm looking for is already playing out, right? Stand to sell down into, right? We're looking for those 566, 554s, and then below that we take out 550s. That's kind of the move I'm looking for here. A continuation to the downside.
Looks like it.
So let's see if she's gonna deliver. I
Gotta
think
keep
she
moving.
will, though. She's slowing down, but I think we'll get there. Let's see what I want to do. We got a pivot point at that level as well, ninja pivot. So I'm hoping we sweep below that pivot point and continue lower.
Yep.
Now, pivot point is not budging. We need to see a candle close below. There's wicks to the downside could signal move back up to fill these gaps. So we need to see some bodies closing below what's that level? 584. We are definitely still accumulating bearish, so I'm thinking if we get a body closing below that level, strong selling coming in, then we should be able to take that level out. Let's go visit our friend on the 1 hour time frame and see what we got in this area. It's a bunch of bulls here, but we are accumulating bearish. So Take that level and we're good to fly to the downside. Is that a gap? No, it's not fair value gap. So I think we're good. It's just a lot of liquidity though in this this area. So we'll definitely struggle to get below, but she'll do it. She's just playing around. She plays too much. She's just playing around. May the trading gods be with you. Everybody sleep okay?
Yep.
Like a baby.
He said like a baby.
I didn't
Nice.
know how. I never realized the secret to good sleep is castor oil.
Astro oil.
Yeah. You take some, you rub on your forehead and your temples, and you will sleep. You will have a very deep sleep. I've been doing that for the past couple of days. Ugh. Best thing ever.
Interesting.
Let's see if we're gonna take these lows. I think we're gonna do it, but she's so hesitant. She's a tease, you know. That'd be nice to her. She's gonna tease you, tease you, tease you. Then by the time you give up, she's gonna give the money. That's what they do, right? Yeah. That's what they do. Meanwhile, YM looks like it's made its decision already.
Did it? Last I looked, I was struggling. Ooh, she going.
Like
Last I looked, she was struggling, but it looks like she's going finally. Sweet. So NQ should follow shortly. Shouldn't be
Just,
too far
we just
away.
got to 81 and pull back.
Let's go. Yeah, William's like, I'm ready to go.
Yeah, I think we're about to go.
Alright, come on, Nasdaq. We playing games, we muscle. She played too much. It's a lot of good moves though. No reason for anybody not to eat. Go. Starting to diverge a little bullish, so I don't like that because that means we could get a push down and then just buy it right back up. A small little push to the downside and then buy it back up. So I'll be careful here, just because of what it's looking like. So let's get it. Yeah, I don't like how it's setting up for the bears. You know, this is setting up a little bit bullish.
because it was accumulating bearish, and now we're starting to see some kind of bullish divergence. So what I want to see is probably a push lower, come down to 560, 550, and then get some kind of bullish accumulation and start buying this thing back up into 647 area. That would be kind of the perfect trade, is push out of this, drop lower, and then buy it right back up. Put your head on my pillow. Don't rush into anything, especially for buys. The market is just not ready for that.
Look at YM go.
YM is sweet. Keep telling you, if you're not in YM, if you're not fully in love with YM, I don't know what to tell you, man. She's a giver.
She is.
Very trendy. Very trendy, and it doesn't cost a lot to win on YM. Like, the L's are so minimal. There's no reason not to love yourself some YM. Alright, so we might start pushing up here. I still don't see any bullish accumulation though, so not iffy on that move. Iffy on that move. Just stalling, so I kind of hit this because this might end up playing out like yesterday, but to the downside, right?
Yeah.
Slow.
You did say that too.
Yeah. So you missed the first two moves. It's like, good luck. Good luck. Just roll the dumb level over and let's go. Volume just ain't picking up, you know. It's like the market just went to sleep out. It's like yeah, so you just went to sleep. Gave you two opportunities and now it's taking a nap.
Yeah.
When these bulls are onto something. Not this low. So if the bears don't come in strong and wipe it out, it won't surprise me if we start buying it up.
6 minutes to 10.
Maybe a little push, I think. So if we do decide to break above Tokyo low 606 and get back into these gaps, I probably won't be looking to sell anything until we get back into the bands. So I'll be looking at 640s, be looking to sell up there. So the next move is going to require a lot of patience, just a lot of sitting on our hands and just waiting. That's what it is. Judging by this price action, you have to wait that next move. If not, shit might just go without us. To see how the OSOBs are catching up, right, lining up. So I just have this crazy feeling that we're gonna get a push to the downside 542 and the rejection is gonna be so hard. Or you just get through that level and you just melt down. I just have this feeling that's what's gonna happen. You come down 548, 542, and you're just gonna bounce right back up. Call it intuition or whatever you wanna call it, but that's what I think is about to happen. I'd say I'd be very careful with this move. Boom, look at that. Let's see. It came down, hit that level, and boom, there goes your rejection, right? Okay. This is what happens when you've been around the markets too long and you've seen them breathe.
They call me market
You've seen them breathe, so you kind of
They
know
call
this.
me market daddy. Daddy.
Look at that.
Money,
Look at
money,
that.
I took a quick buy limit there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm up and I'm out.
You should be up and done like that. That's the kind of stuff that I don't say it anymore these days, or at least I'm a bit hesitant to say it. But that's the kind of stuff when you see things like that. That's where you put 20 contracts and take your chances. You're like, okay, hey, it's gonna will me in anyway. It's gonna bounce. So in about 10 points, I should be able to make my money and out. Right? But now let's see if this bounce gets priced back above to 55. If it doesn't, then you get a candle to close. You get a body closing below that level, then you go lower, right? But that's the kind of those are the kind of moves where you're just like, okay, it's gonna come to that level. Upper limit order, strike, pick me up and go. I just don't like that there isn't any follow through now. It's just slowing down, like it's really slow. So that tells me we get a body below that level, then we are due for come off of. So 591 delivered 542. You get a body below that level, then 542 will deliver 516. Right? We fail to close below that, then we are due for a move back to the upside. Okay. So again, still bearish accumulation. I don't see bulls stepping in. Right? Still bearish accumulation. If you didn't know, now you know. It's the only place where we give away free money. So easy. We make it look simple, but it's not simple. All right, so we're just in our hands waiting. Shish. Imagine the possibilities if we took that trade. Anywho. Hey, what's it gonna be? Apex milestone sell $84 all in. What does that mean? 84 all in. You wanted 220 counts at the moment. $6 activation fee.
It's less than a Happy Meal.
That is freaking wild. What are they trying to do? Get people to fail challenges? I think they're trying to make money. You all had they were trying to bring Apex is trying to do a live account, right?
I remember Spin talking about that.
Yeah, they're trying to introduce the direct to funding. Listen, I would not rush this shit just because they're dangling $6 in front of you. I would still take my sweet time.
Yeah.
I would still take my sweet time because what they're gonna do is they're trying to get more people to fail because that's what's gonna happen when stuff like that is presented or pitched.
But those $6 lifetime PA fees, I think it's just for the duration of the sale.
Yeah, even though it is. So think about it this way, right? How many people are gonna try to pass, right, in the duration of the sale just so they can take advantage of that?
Yep.
Right? It's no different from the $16 accounts, if you remember, when they had the $16 discount.
Yeah.
Back in the day, everybody was buying accounts because $16 because you don't realize it's $16, right? It's the price of a cup of coffee. So what do? You just buy out. You buy 20 of them, blow, buy another 20, blow. Before you know it, you're out of capital, right? Because you're trying to rush. Because it was what? It was $80 activations and $16, right, for the challenge, right? It's like the best thing Epics had ever done. And everybody was just picking up lots and lots of accounts. So I'd be careful. I would be careful.
I'm done.
Huh?
I'm done for the day.
Oh no, I'm not talking necessarily about the day.
No, I know.
Yeah.
I'm just seeing what is happening in the market right now. I'm like, I'm done.
Yeah, uninterested in taking any more trades.
Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, there's no need. I got my money. Everything else was going to be just extra, and I'm like, there's no need. Just chill.
Yeah, should be.
Hey, that's how you do it.
Should be bonus money right now, that's for sure. Shouldn't be hungry. Belly full. That's what you should be.
The 143 is already in the books.
Let's go.
What's in the books?
Day 143.
Yeah.
Day 143. Gotcha. Gotcha. It's like she wants to do something, but she don't want to do something. All right, cool. So we
Just teasing.
are. It's still bearish accumulation though. I don't see bulls again stepping up here. Right.
Right.
So this could be a fake move to the upside. But if we push above that previous bearish candle 593, then we will go back into 630s. So look for that, right? Get above, actually I say 577, 580. Get above 580, then you could push back into 630s, 620, 630 area easily. Because we failed to go lower, so we need some kind of liquidity. So either we reject the height of that candle and roll over, or we push through and go back to 630s, which I think the 630s look promising right now. Looking at the OSOB, looking at how price is shaping up, that level looks promising.
Yeah.
Time check, 10 o'clock.
That was fast.
It's fast when you're winning, isn't it?
Exactly.
Because if you didn't know, now you know. It's Wednesday today, right? Still Wednesday, Thursday. Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's Thursday, and we haven't had a. Have we had a losing day this week? Not once, right?
No.
Nah.
So I think what we'll do, and you'll let me know what you think. But I'm thinking we turn the nodes off for tomorrow, right?
End the day on a positive note. The week on a positive note.
And the week on a positive note.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
We could do it. Yeah. It's fine.
And we call it a week, right? We'll be on tomorrow. We'll trade manually, a couple accounts. If you guys want to trade a few accounts manually, that's totally fine. We can do that. But I suggest we keep the nodes off going into the weekend, and let's just end the week on a super positive note.
Sounds good to me.
Yep. Works for me.
Oh, is volume coming in now? Oh boy.
Buyers are coming in, but again, I don't see the accumulation from the buyers, right? So the move looks good going up into back to Tokyo high, and then out of Tokyo high, you'd go to 630, 624 ish. But I don't see bullish accumulation still.
Right.
But either way, we're gonna make money. That's what we're here for. She can do whatever she wants to do. We just gonna make money.
100%.
So I'm getting out of that. Done, sheltered, close. Mm. If you come to this stream and you don't make money, I don't know what to tell you. It's like impossible to be here and not catch a bag. Impossible. But everybody's still looking for a move. We out. We done. Mr. Manuel, what happened to you last night?
Is he here?
Man, he's on.
He's here in spirit.
I hope he can hear us because it was a no-show last night.
Smack that back down.
So again, just another easy read, right? I just don't see the bulls, right? And I don't see where the bulls are. I don't see no bulls in this market yet. So until we get some bullish accumulation, this is what's going to keep happening. You push up a little, 590s, smack right back down, right? Until we get some accumulation.
Inverse of yesterday.
Yep.
Yeah.
And eventually, if you fail and you drop and close below 42, then you will trickle down lower, 505. You get demand of 505, that's your next level. Then below that, you come down 450. So we gonna see what she gonna do. If you buy this and you buy it heavy, you're buying based on nothing. There's just no bulls, so you're just, I don't know, you'd be just doing whatever you want to do. Or if they just not there? Told you. Told you. Just been around long enough. I can feel this thing breathe. Oh man. All right. Third time is a charm. Let's see. Let's see. Let the volume go, man. Are we waiting for something? There's only one.
There's nothing to wait for. It's just nobody's at work.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Oh, the boss said we're taking off from work today.
What the F is going on?
We only have crude oil that's 10:30.
Yeah.
That crude oil? Okay, so maybe that's the move. Because we didn't get crude oil yesterday. Got postponed, right?
Yeah.
So maybe.
No, not crude oil, sorry. Natural gas.
Natural gas?
Yeah.
Cool. How's the live stream today?
Actually, it's popping.
Popping?
Yep.
Sweet. Beautiful. Yeah, I love what I see. I love this. I love how it's zoomed in. Boom. Literally 2 good trades today. Done. Oh man. If you didn't know, now you know. Right. What's this thing gonna do?
Why not put a message in the chat for you?
You put a message in the chat for me. How exhausted that I can't focus on looking at today again. Why are you painfully seeing money being made when you have access to the nodes, man? Tell me about that. Right? Mr. Manuel.
Oh,
He dropped.
Tell me about that. How are you painfully watching money being made when you have access to these things? Get connected. Hook up. G-Terminator has been smoking markets every single day. Not a single red day. One-off accounts in the red here and there, sure. Right? But a whole set of accounts in the red, not one single day. So I don't know why you're not taking advantage of that. I would take advantage of that. Okay. Tap in connection account or two and let it do its thing. I've not had a single day where I've not averaged $10,000, either overall or even if it's just one account, right? So, and I literally just roll out of bed, look, and boom, done, right? So if you're out there and you have access to this thing and you're not taking advantage of it, um, I don't know what to say. Okay? We'll definitely be moving to a different VPS provider, so that's in the works. And we'll hopefully see a more stable environment. Okay. I'm loving my results. So I think we should be able to make that transition soon.
Go.
But again, it's also pending NinjaTrader licensing, right? Once we get that part done, everybody can run this local. Then I have no need for keeping us on a network.
Yeah.
Let's go, baby. What's it gonna be?
One second, guys. I'll be right back.
Sure, man. Do what you got to do.
Looks like this might be it. Oh, never mind. Never mind.
Getting ready, I think. I think she's getting ready. Ready for a little pop. Yeah, you can see how they're setting up. Now we've gone from bearish accumulation, made some double bottoms, and we are just neutral, right? Still a downtrend. We haven't broken structure. We need to break structure, right? So break of structure would be us pushing above 607, right? That would be BOS. But I don't think we've done that yet. So we might just push again, push right into the bands. Bands are coming down a little lower, right? So, and then reject and roll over. Because you got the bands, you got a fair value gap, everything's sitting right there. So I think this is going to push at least 610. Actually, you know what? 608, right? Remember yesterday we had 608 as the level, right? And right now you got Tokyo low rather, sitting right at that level, 608, 603-ish. So I'm expecting some kind of reaction at that level. If we don't just blow through it, I'm expecting some kind of reaction there.
Right. That is a hard pullback. Jesus.
Think about how many accounts are getting blown, and yours is not one of them, right? Because you're just sitting on your hands waiting for the perfect opportunity. It's just not there, right? Opportunity is not there. There's nothing for us to trade, so we just sit back and chill. Like I just can only imagine how many people are blowing accounts trying to buy this up at the highs, right? You know, if you feel like you're itching for a trade, you draw a box around this level. You put a box around the high of that candle, 594. Your low is 548. So you start buying. If you're looking for buys, you buy 550s. If you're looking for, and you sell the highs, you sell 590s, right? Until either side breaks. But what you don't do is, I spoke too fast, too slow rather. What you don't do is you don't start buying the high, right? So if you get trapped, right? Get trapped, and it does exactly this, just melts through. So
looks like it's nothing through a volume too.
yeah.
See.
Okay. So now we're back to getting some bullish divergence here, right?
Yeah.
And this is not hidden divergence. This is real strong divergence. Very clear divergence. You can spot it. You can see it, right? Not hidden at all.
And she's gonna melt. Let's see what she does here.
Maybe a quick little pause. It's just going to trickle down, I think, nice and well, not nice, but slowly, right? Because a nice drop we continue just flashing, boom, 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 boom. But I think we're gonna get these small pullbacks, pullback, drop. Buyers can step up and get serious. So there's that divergence playing out. Again, I want to see bullish accumulation if I'm going to get tempted to buy into this. And I would be buying small because we are going against the trend.
Yeah.
Let's see what they do with the pro point this time. There goes that beautiful read on that divergence again, right?
Yeah.
I love these. I love these. So easy to read. Easy to read, easy to catch.
I'm back.
You missed everything, man.
Nah, I didn't miss it. I didn't miss anything. Remember, you're not getting me today.
Yeah.
It's like I was in class yesterday. I didn't miss that session. All right, are we gonna take that pivot point? Let's see. She wants it. Slowing down again. Right, but that was a nice read on the divergence, right? We got that divergence, look really beautiful. You know, get a bull candle there, you step in. Right. So 540s back into the bands. Let's see it, let's get it, baby. You can do it. You can do it. Now one more push and she will be in the buttons. There she goes.
You know the beautiful thing though?
What's that?
So the NQ levels we called in the beginning, we started with a bull target of 25,721, smashed it. Last target we called out was a bear target of 25,566, smashed it. Now it's all just house money.
Better be. It better be. All right, so this is a beautiful rejection candle on the 5 minute. I kind of love it for a push back into this 1 hour fair value gap. So 609, 608 would be the next level to the upside. We are looking good. Not a dull moment. Not a dull moment. I'll say it again. Losing around here is a choice. If you want to lose, you'll definitely lose. If you want to win, you'll win every day. I always forget that I can't hear Greg's music unless I watch the live.
Yeah.
So I wanna.
You gotta tune in. You gotta tune in.
Yeah, I got this little Alexa that I travel with, and I've been trying to get it to play me some music, and it's just not doing anything. It's old. Can't remember how these things are updated. Can't remember if it was Bluetooth. I mean, Alexa, Echo Dot. Maybe it'll play me some music. This thing's so old though, probably doesn't even hold any more battery. Maybe it needs to be charged all the time. I have no freaking idea. Alright, maybe I'll go buy me a JBL. I don't know. That's what the new school uses these days, right?
JBL, yeah. Good
JBL,
speaker.
Sonos,
Sonos?
Good quality.
What is Sonos?
SONOS.
What is that?
It's also a speaker system. That you basically can what do you call it? You can set up as like a home theater system and everything for sound. Wireless, everything. Really, it's really good, very powerful as well.
Good morning.
Morning.
All right.
I'm good, thank you.
Where's this one? Let's see, 2 seconds. Sweet Jesus. Oh man. All right. Should we start trolling? Trolling time. I need to start trolling.
There's never a bad time.
Trolling time, yeah. Trolling time. I think I need to go see what Tradify is up to. Hey. Let's go see if Tradify TV is taking any trades today.
They're probably analyzing right now.
Maybe they're still analyzing the market, trying to find a move, but we're done for the day. I need to go see what they're up to. It's time to troll. Right? So if you caught that move, right, coming off that extended divergence, right, if you were interested in that trade and you took that trade, right, we got in right around 547s, you should be up 300 ticks right now. We already hit 608, 603, all the levels that I talked about have been smashed. 625 done, and we are on our way to fill that gap. So 1 hour gap actually almost filled, right? So if this candle closes above this level, then now 1 hour gap would be filled. The 2-minute gap is almost filled as well, right? So I don't know what else to give. I think I feel like I've given everything I can give for one freaking day. We all have, right? We've
Yeah, I
given,
think that's more than enough.
Yeah, I think it's more than enough, you know. Given everything we can give. Everything we can give. Right? If you took it right from the bands, you're up about 50 ticks, 70 ticks. Still not bad. Right?
Yeah.
So all you gotta do is show up, and the rest will take care of itself. Let me take that back. All you gotta do is show up, and I will take care of you. You know, you ain't gotta waste time anywhere else. And it's free. I don't know, maybe one day it won't be free on YouTube. Right? People ought to get some premium memberships for this kind of stuff, right?
Some people are gonna ask for it. Some folks are gonna ask for it. I don't want to be around the regular people.
Right, exactly.
They're gonna say that.
Some people want premium, right?
They want exclusivity.
Exclusive access. Okay. We can make that happen in a heartbeat. Even if you got in 580s when that candle took the high of that last bear candle, you're still smoking it.
Yeah.
Still smoking it. And what do you take for us to make this money? Just sit back and chill. That's all we did, right? Wait. Let the market give you a sign and participate. Okay. So worst entry would have been 580s, best entry around 540s. Okay, and you're up 200 ticks on the move. So again, we're in a fair value gap, so I would tighten my stops, maybe bring stops up 623 and let the market do what it's going to do. Doesn't get better than this. Does not get better than this. It's really good though. I mean, it's been clean moves only. We've got 3 good trades today and everything's just been clean. Clean. Right? Not like yesterday where we got a lot of whiplash.
Yeah.
No, not as bad. At least it gave us the first 2 good moves. But that, if you got caught in whiplash, then whoops, there's nothing you can do.
There's no reason you get caught in a whiplash, because the whiplash, number one, does not satisfy all our rules anyway.
Right? Exactly.
there's nothing below or above the bands to be participating into, right? So rules not satisfied. Market wasn't giving that full divergence that we're seeing for you to be getting into anything anyway. As far as, you know, bearish continuation, we were already low, right? Bullish reversal, there was nothing yet, right? So there's no reason to be trapped. Absolutely not. Right? There's no reason to trade that accumulation, right? Unless you build your box around it, you buy low, sell high until the level breaks. Otherwise, you're taking unnecessary risk. And that never ends well.
Yeah.
It does not.
Telling you, man, this YM. Every time I look at YM, I'm like, holy smokes. My 21C up another $2,000 on the day. It's crazy.
Let's have a talk about 21C privately.
He said private conversations.
Listen,
I know it's been wild. It's been wild. In fact, I'm gonna shut it down. But even your 7C is steady, right? Slow but steady.
Yeah. Hit my first target.
So I'm shutting down my 27C. 21 rather.
oh, 21, yeah.
Go shut it down. This is 2 days in a row, smashing $2,000 back to back. She's very unapologetic about it too. She just does what she
is.
gotta do.
Yeah. She's like, I'll give you. I might stress you out with negative 6K, but I'll give you 2K. Just don't blink.
And close your eyes. Yeah, drawdown on that today was $2,000 and highest balance was 3,000. So I'm catching up on it late too, right? So for 21 contracts, take that any day. I'll take that any day. Let me see, 7CYM. What's the drawdown? Drawdown 7CYM is about $82. It is up 300 right now. Highest balance 420. So you should have locked in on some of All right, so we hit the gap, and I think we're setting up for a move back to the downside.
So it looks like.
So that's where the fun begins, right? Close below the band, sell, buy above the bands, right?
She's coming down fast.
And then if you all remember what we talked about yesterday, right? Market is selling, you fib it, and you're gonna sell. If you're gonna follow the trend, you're looking to sell above your what? 38262 levels, right?
Yep.
Following the 1 hour. All right, let's see. Let's see what the market is doing. So if this is gonna continue bullish, you probably get a push down into the gap at 570. Bounce at 570 to go higher. Otherwise, you roll through 570, you're going back down lower into demand 486, and then you'll probably break 500 this time and come down into 450s. You do need to close below this low at 593. If you know, you know. Ain't got to tell you twice. I am the market maker. Oh, man. Things that will get me in trouble. Ooh, she's gonna go to the gap. She's going to the gap.
So we're 10 minutes away from shutting down the lives.
About damn time, Greg. Time to feed people. Giving away too much money, Greg, this morning. Why you do that? Why are you so nice? Here's like I'm a good guy. Everybody eats. Everybody gets to eat. Yeah, so we're coming back down into that gap, almost there. This will be the last freebie of the day. So if you're on the stream, we'll see you tomorrow, bright and early, right? But if you don't catch trades like this every day, what do? You come to VIP.
Yep.
Where the giving never
100%.
stops. Right? Where the hand that gives keeps giving. Oh shit. Alright. Gut feel done. Tim and I gut feel. So yeah, we can shut it down. I think that's enough for one more.
No recap.
You want to do a recap? All right, cool. Let's do it. It's all you, Greg. Let's recap it. Love it. Love it. Do you want me to do it? You want to do it?
I'll do it.
All right.
You want me to call trades we didn't take, or just I'm just going to call everything that showed up on the stream.
Yeah. I'll say just the trades from TFP. That's about it. And maybe a few others. It's very what? Only like 4 trades total. Anyway, it's not a lot.
Yeah, about 5.
Should be about 4 to 5 trades. All right, go for it. It's all you.
When we started the stream.
She's all yours, man.
Yeah. So yeah, we got on the stream around 8:30. Went through the levels that we're looking at. The first signal that came in was for a sell. We took that sell. It didn't pan out, and then a few minutes after that, we got a buy. So the first trade we took was a loss of about 90 ticks. Then we took the buy. That buy went for 263 ticks for us. So that basically negated the initial loss we took from the first trade. Then market open, we got a sell. Took that sell. That sell yielded about 407 ticks. Shortly after that, after the back and forth, we got a buy around 10:36. The buy failed shortly after, and we got a sell signal. So basically, that sell was a loss of about 105 ticks, 101, 105 ticks. Then we took the buy, And as we had on the call, we took it to the gap. The gap got filled, and that gave us about 122 ticks. So overall, we lost 2 trades out of 5. We won 3 trades. The losses amounted to probably about 190, and then the wins amounted to about, let's say, about 900 ticks. So overall, we took home up, let's say on average, we took home about 750, 800 ticks. So that's it for the day. 10:55. We'll let this thing roll for probably another 5 minutes, but that's it for the day.
Yep.
Sweet. Can't ask for more.
So like Go said, this is free on YouTube, but there's so much more. There are other tools that we use. There are other things that we have, Terminator, all that good stuff. So reach out to WBE at WBE Master on Discord or Telegram for more information.
I love how that's laid out.
And if you like what you're seeing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to like and share the streams.
Whether you like it or don't like it, like and share. You ain't got a choice, right?
Got no choice. Nope.
You ain't got a choice. Like it, don't like it. I should have shut down that 7C, I think. Because now it's just eating up its gains. I'm gonna leave it alone though. You guys should have been locked in already. Anyway. So I'm not gonna mess with her. Alright, decision time. Are we rolling through that gap or bouncing off the gap and pushing back up? Decision time. Ooh. 11 o'clock and we're done, right?
Yep. We've got about 1 minute 30 seconds to go.
That's how you do it.
Ghost, did you go by Tradify TV? Go be nosy?
You know, I wanted to, but
you changed your mind.
I had to see what Greg was up to, but let me see. Let me go troll a little. Let me go do some trolling. Let's see how many trades they got today. How do you know how many trades they got today? Do they take any trades today?
That's tough because the way they counted is kind of weird, especially like on Trader 8.
Ooh, but I am gonna steal this overlay they got. This Christmas Santa overlay. I like that overlay, so I'm gonna steal that overlay. See that, Greg?
Yep.
Opening bell, blah blah blah. I'm gonna steal that overlay because I like it. See, at least there was one thing I liked about Tradify today. Alright. Let's raise up $2,000.
Oh, please.
That's my highest account.
Please don't embarrass the people over there. Yeah, embarrassing the people.
My highest account is 10 grand. What's the best trader doing today? 2 grand. Okay, not bad. Maybe right today.
11 o'clock.
Trends. Don't end it on trouble, man. How you gonna end it on trouble? No, feel free, man. Feel free to shut down. We are good.
Yep. All good on this end. See you again tomorrow, same time. And then WBE TV shutting it down with a bang.
Thank you, sir.
Before we end this, let's do this. Hey, let's go.